It's peaceful from above, but at ground level, the countryside is under threat. Burglaries, armed robberies and ATM theft tell only part of the story.
Well, they're coming down that motorway and they're terrorising us, and we will stop it.
I never thought I'd be going to bed at night with a gun in one corner and cartridges in the room next door.
In community halls and hotels across the country, crowds have been gathering to discuss just how afraid they feel in their own homes and businesses, some even resorting to sleeping with a gun by their bedside. It's come to the point where rural crime has become a major issue ahead of a general election.
They came down through the roof here. I mean, they were fairly slim type of guys.
Several attempts have been made recently again to burgle the money in the Candle Shrine here.
There were 75 cattle and 25 sheep in total taken. When I seen one animal on the avenue where he shouldn't have been, I knew there was something wrong.
Tonight on Insight, we examine a palpable fear in rural Ireland and ask whether the crime rate is as bad as some claim.